In the last few modules, we have developed a model of portfolio investment based on the capital market line, which is a line showing the relationship between total risk and expected return for efficient portfolios. In this module, we will see how to determine the risk and expected return for such an efficient portfolio. As we have seen, an efficient portfolio is a combination of the risk-free asset and the market portfolio. It has the lowest level of risk for any given level of return and the highest return for any given level of risk. Let's first look at the expected return from an efficient portfolio. This is the formula we used previously for the expected return of a portfolio. It is a weighted average of the expected returns from each asset in the portfolio, weighted by the proportion of funds invested in each asset. This is the general version of the formula applying to a portfolio with n investments. This is the specific form of the formula when there are two assets in the portfolio. The first of the two assets in an efficient portfolio is the risk-free asset, and the second is the market portfolio. So this is the formula for the expected return from an efficient portfolio. The weighting of the risk-free asset times the risk-free rate of return plus the weighting of the market portfolio times the expected return on the market. But we can simplify the equation further. Since the weighting of the two assets in a two-asset portfolio must sum to 1, we can define the weighting of the risk-free asset as 1 minus the weighting of the market portfolio. Therefore, the formula for the expected return on the market portfolio depends on the risk-free rate of return, the expected return on the market, and the proportion of the portfolio invested in the market portfolio.